I don't know आपको ऐसा कुछ अनुभव आया नहीं आया. बचपन में हम लोग रिकॉर्ड सुनते थे, ग्रामफोन रिकॉर्ड, स्ट्रक पिन, वो ग्रामफोन HMV ग्रामफोन रिकॉर्ड, वो कुछ दिन के बाद वो स्ट्रक होता है, वही खड़े होके वही गीत दोहराते रहते हैं. चलनी राजा वो चंदा मामा, वो चंदा मामा, वो चंदा मामा, वो चंदा मामा. ये क्या तरीका है? How many times? When I'm not joking, ma'am. This is in my entire villages. This is what people talk about. You can talk to anybody about HME gramophone record. That gramophone record has gone now. Another records have come. But my point is, my friends, if they want to raise the issue, they must have the patience to hear the response. They must have the patience to hear the criticism from the other side also. Otherwise, one-way traffic nahi चलेगा. One-way traffic nahi चलेगा. ये तो उनको समझना चाहिए. So I only hope that in future, whenever they give notice, we are ready to discuss, debate on each and every issue. My Prime Minister told me, let us discuss any issue, every issue, any time, provided the chair admits. Ma'am, lastly, I want to submit to the entire House.
Yes.
I have been seeing from the day one, every day adjournment motion, every day suspension of question hour. If it is your policy, no question hour, try to convince others. The ministers, they will not have any work because there is no question means. No question, no answer also. But you put the questions and then don't allow it. Then, and you say, नहीं, आपने भी विपक्ष में किया कुछ किया है तो फिर ऐसा करते रहेंगे क्या? शुरू से 5 साल वेट करो, कुछ स्कैम स्कैंडल होने दो. ऐसा कोई 2G हुआ नहीं, ऐसा कोई CWG हुआ नहीं, ऐसा कोई कोल स्कैम हुआ नहीं, कोई आदर्श स्कैम हुआ नहीं. कुछ हो गए तो तब आप कुछ आंदोलन करें तो मैं समझ सकता हूँ. ऐसा कुछ हुआ नहीं. अननेसेसरी क्यों आप इतना विचलित होके डिस्टर्ब करते? मेरा प्रार्थना इतना ही है विपक्ष से, प्लीज हैव पेशेंस. द कंट्री इज वॉचिंग ऑल ऑफ अस. मैम, द अदर डे वन youngster from BJD, Thamaraswaja Sahu, I don't exactly remember, I don't remember his name. He spoke on IITs and education. I was really thrilled. The next day I saw another boy from Telugu Desam, Ram Mohan, speaking in English. I was thrilled. Then I found members from TRS, Kavita, first timer to the parliament, and she was explaining her point of view. I always feel proud because they are our children. They are the future of the country, whatever party they may belong to. I saw ma'am, the other day you have complimented Poonam Mahajan. हमारा मित्र प्रमोद जी का सुपुत्री है. प्रमोद जी मेरे पहले वो संसदीय कार्य मंत्री के रूप में काम किया है. We all worked together for years. I cherish his memories because both of our general secretaries in the party and also have taken many decisions and always used to be helpful to the Prime Minister, Deputy Prime Minister those days. Yes. His daughter, she has lived up to the expectation. There are a lot of other examples from different parties. The way they are speaking, the way they are articulating, the way they are projecting different issues, we should all feel proud. We must allow such a debate. Country is watching towards the parliament. And moreover, they have a greater responsibility. Comparatively, they say you are a new party. You are not born even before independence. We only brought independence. They are saying that. That being the case, you are expected to behave in a more mature manner. This is only my advice to the Congress party friends. You please have some patience. Wait. Yes. 5 years. And then again we can take. I can assure you, ma'am, the House, that the government will do whatever is required to maintain communal harmony in the country, maintain social tranquility in the country, and Centre is ready to extend any help to any state. I have consulted my Home Minister officials also are here. I have consulted my colleague Home Minister also. If there was a proper notice beforehand, he would have been here. He would have been more effective in responding to this. But this responsibility is given to me because our friend said it should be discussed today itself. So I have to take up this responsibility. I think I try to convey the thinking of the government and also the expectations of the people to the extent possible. Thank you very much, Madam. Namaskar.
Yes. Thank you. Now